Begin with a calm, clear tone, like a narrator introducing the next era of AI. The world of artificial intelligence moves faster than most people realize. Each year, researchers and engineers push the limits of what machines can understand, generate, and accomplish. Among the most significant advancements in recent memory has been the rise of large language models, robust AI systems that can understand and generate human language with astonishing fluency. Now, the spotlight is turning toward the next major leap in this evolution, GPT-6. But what exactly is GPT-6, and why is it poised to reshape the way we interact with AI? At its core, GPT-6 is expected to be the sixth major iteration in the GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, series developed by OpenAI. These models are designed to learn patterns from massive amounts of text and then use that knowledge to generate coherent, contextually relevant responses to user prompts. GPT-1 laid the foundation. GPT-2 stunned the world with its fluency. GPT-3 expanded those capabilities dramatically. GPT-4 broadened them even further into multimodal understanding, and GPT-5 continued the trend with more advanced reasoning and broader application support. Every generation is built on the previous one, and now the AI community is buzzing about what GPT-6 will deliver next. What sets GPT-6 apart from its predecessors isn't just a question of bigger or faster. Instead, experts believe this upcoming model will focus on more intelligent, human-like behavior. One of the most talked about features is the potential for long-term memory and personalization, meaning the AI could remember user preferences, ongoing projects, and personal context across multiple sessions, creating a sense of continuity that hasn't truly existed before. That would allow it to feel far more like a personal assistant that understands you rather than a stateless chatbot that resets after every conversation. Early signals from industry insiders and analysts suggest that GPT-6 will also push the envelope on agentic capabilities. Rather than simply answering questions, the model could autonomously break down complex tasks into sequential steps or workflows and help complete them with minimal human direction, bridging the gap between AI as a tool and AI as a collaborator. Yet, with these possibilities come new challenges, particularly around privacy, ethics, and safety. As GPT-6 is expected to handle deeper personalization and memory, it raises important questions about how data is stored, protected, and controlled. But before we dive deeper into those topics, let's explore how GPT-6 differs from the models that came before it, and what that means for users, businesses, and the future of AI. To truly understand why GPT-6 matters, we need to look at how it is expected to differ from previous generations. While earlier models focused primarily on language fluency and accuracy, GPT-6 is widely anticipated to shift the focus toward reasoning depth, adaptability, and autonomy. One of the most significant expected improvements is advanced reasoning. Previous models could answer questions and follow instructions, but they often struggled with long, multi-step problems that required planning or abstract thinking. GPT-6 is expected to handle these scenarios far more effectively. Instead of responding reactively, it may evaluate multiple possible solutions, weigh outcomes, and select the most logical path forward. This kind of reasoning brings AI closer to how humans analyze complex situations. Another significant leap is expected in context length and comprehension. GPT-6 is rumored to process vastly larger amounts of information at once, entire books, large datasets, or months of conversation history. This would allow it to maintain a consistent understanding over extended interactions, reducing contradictions and improving coherence. For professionals, this could mean analyzing long research papers, legal documents, or business strategies without losing context. GPT-6 is also expected to move further into multimodal intelligence. While earlier models already began working with text, images, and audio, GPT-6 may unify these capabilities more seamlessly. Imagine an AI that can watch a video, understand what's happening, analyze spoken dialogue, read on-screen text, and then explain or summarize everything in a single integrated response. This opens the door to powerful applications in education, content creation, and accessibility. The most transformative shift, however, lies in agent-based behavior. Instead of waiting for constant prompts, GPT-6 may be able to operate autonomously. For example, given a goal like launch a marketing campaign, the model could outline steps, create content, analyze data, revise strategies, and adapt based on feedback, all with minimal human intervention. This represents a shift from AI as a responder to AI as an active problem solver. Of course, greater capability also means greater responsibility. With GPT-6 potentially making decisions, remembering users, and acting independently, ensuring alignment with human values becomes critical. This is why safety research, transparency, and control mechanisms are expected to play a significant role in its development. In the final part, we'll explore how GPT-6 could impact real-world industries, from education and healthcare to business and creativity, and what this means for the future of human-AI collaboration. As GPT-6 moves from speculation to reality, its actual impact will be felt not in laboratories, but in everyday life. The most profound changes are expected across industries where knowledge, communication, and decision-making play a central role. In education, GPT-6 could become a deeply personalized learning companion. Instead of one-size-fits-all instruction, students may receive explanations tailored to their learning style, pace, and knowledge gaps. The model could track progress over time, revisit misunderstood concepts, and dynamically adapt its teaching approach. This has the potential to make high-quality education more accessible than ever before, especially in regions with limited educational resources. In healthcare, GPT-6 could assist professionals by analyzing medical records, summarizing research, and supporting diagnostic reasoning. While it would not replace doctors, it could significantly reduce administrative workload, allowing healthcare providers to focus more on patient care. Its ability to synthesize vast amounts of medical literature could also help clinicians stay up to date in an increasingly complex field. The business world stands to gain enormously as well. GPT-6 may function as a strategic assistant, helping companies analyze markets, generate reports, forecast trends, and automate workflows. For entrepreneurs and small businesses, this could level the playing field by providing advanced analytical capabilities that were once limited to large corporations. Creative fields will also evolve. Rather than replacing artists, writers, or filmmakers, GPT-6 is likely to become a powerful collaborator, accelerating ideation, refining drafts, and expanding creative possibilities. Human creativity combined with AI precision may lead to entirely new forms of expression. However, these advancements are not without risk. The same memory and autonomy that make GPT-6 powerful also raise serious concerns around privacy, bias, misinformation, and over-reliance on AI systems. If not carefully governed, such technology could amplify existing inequalities or be misused at scale. That is why alignment, ethical safeguards, and human oversight are expected to be core pillars of GPT-6's development. Ultimately, GPT-6 represents more than just a more innovative AI model. It marks a shift in how humans and machines collaborate. The future is not about AI replacing people. It is about redefining what people can achieve with AI as a partner. And as GPT-6 approaches, one thing is clear. We are not just upgrading technology, we are reshaping the relationship between intelligence, creativity, and humanity itself.